Howdy folks, TJ here. Gonna have a little bit of fun today, a little bit of ZX48K, the gift that was given to me by PJ Nealon, and then Mr. Kloosterman, Dr. Kloosterman, sent me the little printer. I've done videos on these before, but I have a real-world businessy task that I need to put this to. So not only do these computers play games, they do real business. What's that real business? Well, let me grab these over here. So I've got 5 more copies of my game that I have sold. I've got a total of 20 that I'm in the process of doing. I shipped 5 a number of weeks ago. The next batch of 5 comes now. And then I've got, oh shit, oh shit. Hold on a second. So I'm glad these are just the cases. The little name tags are all foo-fooed now. You son of a bitch. Yeah, see, I can swear for anything. So let me put these back where they belong. Okay, that's good. Are you focused in on me? Those were the cases slipping off the desk and landing right there. So that game has a little mascot called Clod Popples, which I created in a kit form. That kit form is in the spirit of Sinclair. You know how Sinclair made a computer and you could buy it either completely ready to plug in and use or as a kit. And the kit you put together. So I thought in that spirit, I made a Clod Popples kit, which is let me go grab them. This is a video of decent length. So we're going to cover all the bases. Here is Clod Popples. Hopefully it's coming in. It's a little mascot, a little creature that I created. Claude Popples is a friendly cloud person, unlike most of those bastard cloud people. My buddy Casey Nightowl knows how bastardy they are, because he plays the game every so often. Have you played my game? If not, you can grab it at Itch if you don't want to have a physical edition, which is very special. There's only been 50 sold to date. And then another 20 singles that I'm working on now. I'm not sure if I'll make more after this. So after these 20 are done, I am depleted on supplies. Once I get these 20 done, well, I should say 15 more. So I don't know if I'll venture into buying more. So this is a truly unique collectible. But you can, at my Itch account, which I'll put down below, grab the download version, which is technically free. You can grab it, but it's make an offer. So if you want to give me a couple of dollars for a beer, a whiskey, I appreciate it. And it makes me want to maybe make another game down the road. So anyway, so I in a mode, I've got to finish a game. So part of the Clod Popples kit is a little piece of paper that I printed for the first 50 plus another 5 that I've done of a little, I did it on a Timex TS2068 and on its Timex printer. I don't know if this will come in, but it is a piece of paper that I printed out from there. So I put my old Timex in business. Again, I don't know if this is coming in, but I'll read to you what it says. And it says, Clod Popples, space, the kit, version 1.0. I called it 1.0 because maybe in the future I'll make a new Clod Popples kit. And it'll be 1. If I'm like Jay Mundy, my buddy Jay Mundy, he'll call it version 1.5. But maybe I'll do it 1.69. Woo! It's not even Friday and I'm going there. So we've got to do this today. And so I'm going to do it, instead of on my Timex TS2068, I'm going to do it on the gifted PJ Nealon ZXSpectrum 48K. On the Mr. Kloosterman gifted to me, the ZX printer. I've got it connected via my ZX HD that I purchased from Byte Delight long ago. And then the printer's all connected here. So I'm going to even use the power supply. This is going to run through 220 volt. So down on the floor you can't see, but I've got a 220 volt or 110 to 220 volt adapter. I've plugged in his original power supply he sent me, and we're going to turn it on. We're going to program together. I could have just typed it all in advance, but part of the fun of my videos is me trying to find the keys to type on. And there is a little dust on here. So for you dust phobia people, yeah, there is some serious dust going on in here. Let's turn on the computer. So let's see if I get this thing to boot, first of all. So let's see if I've got it connected. And then I'm going to have to, in a basic program, do an L print whatever. It's been a while since I've done this. So let's go ahead. I'm going to turn on the power supply. 220 to 110, 110. There we go. Okay, that's a good sign. And we're going to push this button. And there we go. 1982 Sinclair Research Limited. So let's start programming. Let's make sure. Oh, and a box hit my. Hopefully that'll in. So I'm going to enlarge this a little bit so you can maybe see some of my programming. A box hit this tripod, so you probably got shooken out of your shoesters when I was doing my thing. You probably don't really care about the program. I'm going to go really dark now. But we're going to program this together. So we're going to do a 10. Oh, I'm going to need a flashlight again, because finding this stuff. So what I wanted to, is it an L print? L print? How do you do an L print? Oh, shit. I'm going to have to go back and look at, is it L print? I don't see an L print on here. You know, I'm going to have to stop the recording because I forget when I did my program last, I think I just did it in a loop and I said print. Maybe I did L print. I'm going to have to go back and watch that video. See, that's why I make videos on YouTube. So I can go back and say, how did I do that? And I'm guessing it should be the same on here, but probably in quotes. I got to do an L print in quotes, blah, blah, blah. And then I'm going to have it do it 15 times. So I get a total of 15 of these. So hold tight. Maybe I won't make you go through the whole process of me typing it in. Then again, I'm cruel, so maybe I will. But you can just fast forward it, right? You've got the power of the YouTubes. So hold tight. Let me figure this out. We'll come back and we'll figure out where we're going to plop you and what you're going to see. So hold on. Okay, I'm glad I watched my video because I would have screwed stuff up and it still took me a while. You got to get into a symbol shift, control apps thing. No, cap shift, symbol shift, to be able to get that L print by then hitting a C. And then I remembered that I needed to put a space between Clod Popples the kit and version 1.0, and then a space so I could have someplace to use my scissors. So I actually went back and watched my old video that I did on the Timex TS2068. So now I'm just proofreading. I've got a quick program for x equal 1 to 15, L print Clod Popples, space, minus sign, the kit, then L print version 1.0, L print some spaces, and then next X. So if everything is connected right, we're going to put Clod Popples right here, peeling this out. I've got the little printer. Everything I believe is connected up. So now it should just be a simple run. And I should get some smells from this. This is 15 printouts. Basically 30 lines of stuff, right? 2 lines, yeah. 15 times 2 is 30. Okay, run. Okay, let's see what happens. 3. Oh, God, please work. 2. Please work. 1. Printer's printing. The whole room is probably going to smell like a musty ox. Oh, the paper's not feeding. Oh, shit. Oh, I had to help it there. It got stuck in, oh, there's some, I'm going to have to print some more. It got kind of bunched up as it's nuts over here in the corner. And it made some, looks like the word beef. So I'm going to have to print a few more. But Clod Popples the kit, version 1.0. Hold on. Oh, I'm getting a little bit of a metallic smell. I'm going to hold this up here because I don't want to have it. This is high-tech paper. I'm burning shit. This could be illegal in California with all the fires. Fire is nothing to joke about. Was that all of them? Should I just print some more and be prepared for the next 15? In case I do 15 more? Yeah, how many to print? 1, 2, okay, let's return. Let's go ahead and run one more time so we can get the aroma. Go. And it looks good. It looks, let's compare it. You can't see it, but yeah, it looks a little darker, a little bit more dottier though, than my Timex version. My Timex version looks a little bit more daisy wheel printerish, even though it's not a daisy wheel. This looks a little bit more dotty, pixelated, but it looks good. It looks nice and dark and vibrant because you're burning things And when you burn things into something, it looks a little better, a little darker. Is there a form feed button on this thing? I don't think so. I'm just going to lose one at the bottom. Unless I just do an L print a space a couple of times. There should have been like a form feed. Oh, this thing's printing out like a Dickens. This is awesome. Real businessy, real work that I'm putting this through. I don't want to waste that last one. Let's go up and just remove 20, and remove 30, and modify 10. Oh, shit. Now I got to find the things. For X equals 1. Where's the 2? I found it earlier. A 2. It's up here. Oh, where's my flashlight? Son of a bitch. I had a flashlight over here. Oh, there it is. I found it. It's amazing how quickly things come in my head and out. It's on here. Oh, 2. There it is. There it is. Symbol shift. That 2. I'm going to just say 2. And then run. There's probably a form feed on here, but I can't find it unless it's on the back. Oh, let's run that again. It needed a few more. There we go. Pack it in the old pepper. So, and then, oh shit. Wait, there is a form feed. I just accidentally hit that. There is. It's a little black button up on the upper corner. Oh, this is choice. Look at that. Okay. My ZXSpectrum did its work for the day. I am so tickled pink. So you next 5 owners of the Invasion of the Cloud People, the next storm, and future ones, at least up until about roughly 28 of them, because there's a crunch up on the top that didn't go too well. See up on the top, you can see you got... anyway, you're going to have it printed on a professional metallic whatever paper it is. So thanks for watching the video. 2025, TJ making use of an old computer to do real world businessy stuff. Have a great day. Bye.